Working with files is an important part of AutoCAD Mobile. From the home screen here, we can view our files as either thumbnails or in a list view. Tapping on the eye icon on any file or folder gives us details about the file, including size and modify dates, as well as allowing us to perform actions like deleting, duplicating, or moving the file. From the home screen, I can also add other cloud storage repositories to my available files. I'll click the plus icon here, and now I can add Dropbox, Google Drive, or my personal OneDrive account. Once I tap the icon and approve access, my new drive shows as a folder, which I can use to load all of my client files. Just a note for offline work, if I make changes while offline, say on a job site, and someone opens the file and makes changes at the same time, when I reconnect my tablet, AutoCAD is smart enough to catch the discrepancy and will ask me which version I would like to retain, which is a very handy feature.